Hello, and how's everyone doing out there? This is Aaron with PremiumSignals.com. Just came online, wanted to show you how this trade that I had on the pound CAD came about, and how the signal has profited many of our clients. So just want to go over that with you, show you how the setup came up, what we saw, what triggered the signal, and how you could actually get in right now if you see this video soon enough and happen to be able to get into the trade now. So if you look back, let me get rid of some of these indicators here. So as you can see, we have a downtrend coming down right here. We have it crossing past through the 47 moving average, and if you look over here, you can see that there's some support. If we go to the weekly, we'll see a lot of support coming all the way across here, looking through here. And then if you go to the 4 hour, you see that it's dropped quite a bit, and it's dropped quite a bit and pulled away from the 47 moving average here, way outside of the Bollinger Bands, and then you have a hammer right here. So now we're expecting a pullback. I mean, in the long run, we're expecting the trade to continue to move downward, but since we're so far away from the 47 moving average, and also any trend lines that you might see on this is on the 4 hour chart right here. So you have this strong trend line coming or forming way outside of, or way past the 47 moving average, outside the Bollinger Bands, expecting a strong pullback. And if you can look here, that 47 moving average is 190 pips away. We have our take profit set at 244 pips away. 244 pips is, sometimes the pound can move extra far. So we're watching this, and we have some stuff in place so that when it does, if it makes a move back downward here at the 47, we'll get out of the trade and actually get back into the trade and go short. So it looks like it's going to be a great setup for us. So some of the things that we see here, we have the strong downward trend away from here. Then we also have the oscillator right here. The oscillator has pulled back and come out. It looks like it actually might be getting a little overextended, so that's why we've taken our we actually took the trade and we did 3 lots. We closed one of the lots, and we closed that with 60 pips. So we still have 2 lots going. This way we're locked in on a trade. We're locked into profit on the trade, as I should say. And then we have a +1 stop here. So if the trade does start moving quicker than we thought it would move, then we are locked into making profit here on this trade. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, it's coming and bouncing here still. And typically what you see is it come and bounce back off the 47 moving average anyway, but it's so far away from the trend line, I expect it to come back more towards that. And as you see the oscillator down here, it looks like it's overextended and wanting to come back up anyway. So what can you do now to get into the trade? That's a great question. As you can see on the hour, this happens all the time. So the trade is starting to come back, and it actually pulls past the 47 moving average, and it's staying above it. You can see it's riding right along there. Let's blow that up a little bit. Yeah, see, it's riding right along that 47 moving average. But look at the or I should say, and look at this oscillator here. We have it pointing straight down. Looks like it's being oversold. Some condension here, and it's going to probably move back up, or I would say definitely move back up. And if it doesn't, that's why we have those +1 stops in place. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick. Okay, so we have it consolidating now in this narrowing channel. Typically it's going to break out in the last direction that it was in. So, I mean, this is really typical this time of day. You're seeing it just, slow down. And really, this time of day, it's just pulling back, usually to set up for the next trade. And we're expecting it to go long. So that's our analysis of the trade that we got into last night. We also posted on Twitter. You can check us out on Twitter, twitter.com/premium_signals. We put trades up there all the time, so come and check us out, sign up, and follow us. Anyways, talk to you later. Have a great night.